Hey guys, Josiah here. Welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas series. We are on the second day of Christmas. That's what we're on. There's 2 more days. 2 more days, guys. Second to last video, and I hope you enjoyed the series thus far. Today, I'm actually not necessarily giving you any tips, but I'm actually going to give you 2 free presets from my preset collection, okay? And you can download those in the link below in the description. I'm giving you 2 presets, okay? The first one is a black and white preset. This is my go-to black and white look for all of my edits. It's a very classic, timeless look. I love this preset, and I hope that you guys love it as well. And then the other one I'm giving you is a vintage vibes preset. This is just kind of a vintagey stylized look, just that I like to use sometimes when I want to go for that, I don't know, that vintage, those vintage tones, those vintage styles. And both of these presets are from my tried and true preset collection. You can download all of those in the description as well. There's a discount code as well. If you go to that site, you'll find the discount code to get some money off of that collection. So check that out. I hope you guys like using these. There's really no way for me to teach you how to use them. They're pretty much just plug and play, click and go. They're pretty much one-click presets. So I hope you guys enjoy these. Those are my, my 2 presets that I'm giving you, all right? So if you have any questions on how to use them, or if you have any questions in general, let me know in the comments, all right? We'll see you tomorrow for the last video in this series.